Hi, welcome to the math homework channel. Okay, we're still working on equation and inequalities problems, and today we have different kind of problems. It's solve and interpret geometrically and graph when applicable. Right answer using inequality and interval notation. All right, so we have theorem here, inequality theorem. There's three theorem. The absolute value for ax plus b when p greater than 0, so this is equal b, so ax plus b equal p, and ax plus b equal negative p. Right? This is for when it's in the equal sign, and when it's less than absolute value ax plus b less than p, then it will be less than p and greater than negative p. And when it's greater than p, then absolute ax plus b is less than negative b, p, and ax plus b is greater than p. So this is the theorem we're gonna use to solve all these problems here. So the first one, t minus 3, absolute value for t minus 3 equal 4. So which one is this? Which theorem we're gonna use? We're gonna use this theorem, inequality theorem. So it's gonna be t minus 3 let me clean this. Right? T minus 3 is equal, so we have p or negative, so we can say plus or minus 4, which is in this case the p equal 4. Alright, let's put this here. Alright, so that means it's t minus 3 we can add 3 to both sides, so we say t equal 3 plus or minus 4. So that means t is equal 3 plus 4, that's 7, and 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So that's a 2 value here. So t is equal 7 and negative 1. So 7 and negative 1. That's a 2 value. Okay, now let's graph this in the line. So negative 1 and 7. There you go. That's the first one. So absolute value t minus 3. That's the second problem. Less than or equal negative 4. Less than or equal 4. This is 4. Okay. Okay, let's apply the theorem here. So it will be t minus 3 is greater than negative 4 and less than 4. Right? And then we can add 3 to both sides. So t is greater than negative 4 plus 3 less than 4 plus 3. So t less than 7 greater than minus 1. Alright. Less than 7 and greater than negative 1. So that's negative 1 and 7. So this is all my value here. And just to remember, this is a parentheses, mean that negative 1 and 7 are not included in the interval. Alright. Greater than, so this is, you gotta pay attention to what sign we're using here, because this is gonna make you choose the correct theorem to apply. So this is greater than, let's highlight this one too, and this one. So this is greater than 4, so we're gonna apply this theorem here. So it's gonna be t minus 3 as less than negative 4 and t minus 3 is greater than 4. Right? T minus 3 is greater than 4. So we're gonna add 3 to both sides. So t minus 3 plus 3, so t will be less than -1, and t will be greater than 7. So this is this one, and this is this one here. So what does this mean here? So it means so if we graph this in the line, so listen, here it's 7, and that's -1. So this is gonna be all the value here. So in other words, we can write this, we can say from -1 to -infinity, both open, you're not included, union 7 to infinity. And that means the intervals, so from -1 to infinity, union 7 to infinity. That's gonna be the notation. Alright, how about this one? X plus 5. So that one is the same as this one here. Right? So x plus 5. So we say x plus 1 equal to plus or minus 5. So we must subtract 1 from both sides. X equal -1 plus or minus 5. So it's equal -1 plus 5, that's 4, or -1 minus 5, that's -6. So 4 or -6, let's graph this. 4 and -6. 4 minus 6. And this is equal, so here you go. It's going to be 1. No parentheses, no bracket. Alright, about this one here. It said x plus 1 less than or equal 5. So which rule we're going to apply here? So we're going to apply which theorem? So we're going to apply the same theorem as this one here. So it will be less than or equal. So this one, it follows this one, this term. So we're gonna say x plus 1 is greater than or equal to -5, less than or equal to 5. Right? So what we do here to get the x, so we subtract 1 from each one. So this subtract 1 will be -6, less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 4. Alright, so let's graph the line. So we have 4 and -6, and this is less than or equal, so we're going to use a bracket for this. So it's less than or equal to 4 and greater than or equal to -6, and that's going to be my interval here. All the number included the -6 and 4. There you have it. That's the way when you interpret geometrically and graph and use both inequality and interval notations.